All right, third grade, we're going to be going over even and odd numbers. Remember, our even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. The odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. An even number is divisible by 2. An odd number is not divisible by 2, meaning if you have your even number, if you have 2, you can put 1 in one group and 1 in the other, and there is 2. So let's take a look at these cookies, okay? So I have 1 cookie and 2. If I want to share this with 2 different people, I can have 1 here and 1 here, all right? There is none left over. Oops. There is none left over. There are no extra cookies, and everybody has the same amount. 1 person here, 1 person here, okay? If I have 4 cookies, I can do 1 here and then 1 here. So every person has, well, there's a total of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every person or group or whatever you want this to be has 2 cookies. There's nothing left over, nothing extra, all right? If I only had 3 cookies, so let's put this cookie back. I only have 3. Person 1 has this cookie. Person 2 has this cookie, but then I have 1 cookie left over. Now, before Christmas break, we were talking about fractions, and yes, I could cut this cookie in half and give each person half of the cookie, and every person would have 1.5 cookies, but that's not what we're doing, okay? 3 is not divisible by 2 because I cannot take the whole cookie and everybody have the exact same amount, all right? Same thing with 5. If I have 5 cookies here, here's 5 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can give each person 2 cookies, but then I still have 1 left over. If I give this person 1 cookie, now they have 3 and they have 2. Or if I put it over here, they have 3 and they have 2. Or if I just leave it alone, there's a cookie left over and we cannot have that, all right? So I want us to remember our even numbers, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then our odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all right? So I'm gonna put all my cookies back. Now, when those are just single digit numbers, okay? And I want to deal with multiple digits in a number. So if my number was 12, okay, my number is 12. I can get out 12 cookies. Well, if I'm going to do this, I'm going to look at the last digit. I'm going to look at the digit in the ones place, always. The digit in the ones place is going to tell you if this is an even or an odd number. Well, the digit in the ones place here is my 2, and I know that 2 is an even number, so that means that 12 is also an even number. If I give you the number 17, the digit in the ones place in 17 is the 7, so I'm going to underline that. 7 is an odd number, so the number 17 is also going to be odd. If I give you the number, my mouse is not working. If I give you the number 439, I only want to underline the digit in the ones place, okay? 439. Even though 4 is an even number, 3 is an even number, 3 is an odd number, 9 is an odd number. So that makes the number 439 an odd number. Okay? If I look at the next one, let's do a bigger number, 1,548. I'm going to look at the digit in my ones place. Good job. I'm going to look at the digit in my ones place. 8 is an even number. So 8 is an even number. That means 1,548 is an even number. Okay? So just a little recap. Our even numbers, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. My odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. When you're trying to determine if a number is even or odd, you're going to look at the ones place. If the digit in the ones place is even, then your whole number is even. If the digit in the ones place is odd, your whole number is odd. All right, so 12 is even. 17 is odd. 439 is, oops, sorry, Miss Scars is having trouble here, is odd. 1,548 is even. All right. So I hope this helps you, and this is a little bit of a refresher for going over even and odd numbers.